Good afternoon, this is Tyler Hill with MarineMax. We are the Galeon yacht dealer here in beautiful Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the new Galeon 650 Skybridge. First thing you notice, a big, huge hydraulic swim platform. Will hold 11 to 1,200 pounds, so perfect for any dinghy on the back of the boat. We'll pop into crew quarters real quick here and take a look at the engine room access. It's a crew quarters that you would normally find on a 70 or 80 foot boat. Washer dryer side by side. 2 bunks. Microwave. An enclosed toilet with shower and sink. Nice refrigerator down here. Not a bad crew. I'd stay on here. Look at the beautiful engine access here. Really nice engine room, clean. Everything's easy to get to. You get to both sides of the motors. Fuel tanks, chiller system, monster 29 kW Onan generator. Attention to detail is phenomenal on this product. Heading out of the crew. Gonna walk up to the main deck. Take a look at these cool stairs that deploy when you drop the swim platform. This is one of the Galeons with the awesome hydraulic side decks that come down. Perfect when you're at anchor in the Bahamas or anywhere. And huge sliding glass doors, so you can get nice fresh air through the boat. Really nice sit-in area back here. Got easy enough for 8-10 people. Sink, ice maker, grill. We have an opening window here, which opens the galley to the aft deck area. Take a quick peek at the port side. We have this side deck in the up position right now, but this side lowers as well to make another entertaining area. This has a new beechwood gray interior. So light and bright. This beautiful galley. Dishwasher, multiple refrigerators, cabinet storage everywhere, cooktops, induction stove, microwave. Little look at the bar stools that open up to the outside here. Full-size fridge and freezer. Definitely has the biggest windows I've ever seen on a 65. You almost don't even need lights in the boat. Huge TV pops out of this area here. Perfect for watching. And your settee here. This is a high-low table as well, electrically. With drops down, you can make this into a really nice lounge or another bed. We have the blinds closed right now, but all of these blinds open up to get more natural light in the boat. It's the only yacht over 60 feet I've ever seen with a walk-through windshield. All one button deploys the entire system. So you can walk out to the bow and not have to walk around the sides. Beautiful helm that you'd expect with the latest and greatest Raymarine electronics. Bow thruster, stern thruster. Even the seats are phenomenal. Just electrically actuated for the perfect position. And you have a big opening side door here as well, where you can get out of the helm seat and get out to the bow if you need to real quick. We'll walk out to the bow while we're in here. You have opposing couches with electric tables. You can have them in a sun lounge position, which you're in right now, or you can have them in a table position as well. Everything is electrically done. Easy walk-arounds on the boat, non-skid everywhere. Do a little reverse view here, show you how the mechanism works on the walk-through windshield. Walking back into the salon. We actually have another refrigerator up here in this cabinet. And another sink. The boat actually has 2 master staterooms. We're going to go in the forward stateroom first. This is a private stateroom, private access. You have one stateroom up here forward in the bow. Look at how light and bright it is in here, and the attention to detail, backlit headboard, storage absolutely everywhere. Nice little settee right here, a little makeup area. Good sized television. Master head up here. Good toilet setup. Enclosed shower with mosaic. Really nice touch. Elegantly done. Again, storage everywhere. Galeon does not miss a spot. Even out in the hallway here, you have nice high-low storage. All right, walking out of the forward master, back into the salon. We're going to head down to the second master. So nice access, grab rails in the perfect spot, light and bright everywhere. This is actually a day head for your guests with a full shower, sink. Again, nice, beautiful mosaic tile. You do have an access door from the bunk room that's up in this area. We'll take a look at the bunk room. Two nicely appointed bunks. Again, full beam. So you get the nice natural light of the windows. And this could be your other master, depending on where you like to sleep on the boat. Same backlit headboard, same full beam, huge windows, nice settee here. Have a cup of coffee with your laptop, get a little work done while you're enjoying your boat. Again, storage everywhere. Nice, another makeup station with TV. And then your second master head. Take a quick look around. Nice vessel sink. Everything's just well appointed. You won't see a cabinet out of alignment anywhere on this brand. Their woodworking is unbelievable. Heading out of the second master, back up the stairs, and we'll take one final look at the Sky Bridge on this model. This has a smaller bridge than the Galeon Fly Bridge, and it's actually got a retractable hardtop that you can close off when you don't want to use the bridge. No canvas to deal with, and more like a sport bridge. But lots of nice seating everywhere you look. There's backrest there you can put in when you want. You can see one retractable hardtop section here. And that will meet up with this whole sliding hardtop up here with one press of one button to close it off. And it actually looks like an express style boat. Very cool. Sat TV on this boat, open array radar. That's the good HD7 Raymarine 2. Gets you full digital picture. Again, this is Tyler Hill with MarineMax. We're the Galeon yacht dealer here in Pompano Beach, Florida. Give you a quick look at our beautiful marina. Here to serve you and get you on the water in a beautiful new yacht. Thanks for looking today. 954-783-9555 is our